I never met you, but I wanted to invite you to the party. And you walked in with those green eyes, never stolen by nobody. And they flicker to the future. For a moment I could picture. Then you touch me, and I come back, and we're talking on the staircase about your big dreams on the big screens. Out of Georgia now, you're lonely in this city, lying with me, and you're scared it's moving quickly. Oh, now you're crying, you're in pieces, cause the only love you've ever known is Jesus. I can feel it, oh I hate it out, the reason that you're in your head right now, while your world is spinning out. So slow it down, take a moment now. We're too young to drown, deep in dirty waters full of hope is down. Let me pour you out, let me hold you now, let me slow it down. I'll help you slow it down. My mother said I'm too romantic. She said you're dancing in the movies. I almost started to believe her. Then I saw you and I knew. Maybe it's 'cause I got a little bit older. Maybe it's all that I've been through. I'd like to think it's how you lean on my shoulder, and how I see myself with you. I don't say a word, but still you take my breath and still the things I know. There you go, saving me from out of the cold. Fire on fire, we're normally kids with this much desire. Together we're winners. They say that we're out of control, and some say we're sinners, but don't let them ruin our beautiful rhythms. 'Cause when you unfold me and tell me you love me, and look in my eyes, you are perfection, my only direction. It's fire on fire. You are perfection, my only direction. It's fire on fire.
I'm extremely delighted to introduce to you for the very first time to Eventful, Mr. and Mrs. Rodriguez.
I don't think I can give the speech without mentioning that me and Maurice, my brother, have gotten into a lot of fights. He knows, and I just found out a few years ago, I know I started more than half of them. Looking back, I just know somehow Alicia's fault.
Anna married the love of her life. And Maurice has proved, and I say proved because we have the full crew of CSI San Diego over here.
I just want to say that I think they always knew they belonged together. They flirted with each other for 10 years. And finally, after 3 years of engagement, here we are. So thank you, everybody, and have a great time, and let's party.
I just take it quick. I don't know nobody else that's doing this. Bodies start to drop, ayy. Now they wanna know me since I hit the top, ayy. So rolling, not a stopwatch, don't never stop. It's the flow that got the block hot. She just took the business and ran it for me. I let Ollie take the aisle, told him brand it for me. I get 2 million a pop and that's standing for me. Like I went blind, dog, you got a hand. Hey. It's a rolling, not a stopwatch. Watch, 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 watch. It's a rolling, not a stopwatch.